Elements that are characterized by the filling of p orbitals are classified as group 3a through group 8a, transition metals, inner transition metals, group 1a and group 2a. Again, we have to have the periodic table. The rough sketch for periodic table will help us to visualize this question or to answer this question easily. According to this one, uh, each, if you see in A form, this is 1A, group 1A, this is group 2A, and this is 3A, 4A, then here is 8A. So from the beginning we have said these regions, group 1A and group 2, are S block because the last configuration, the last electron to be filled will fill the S sublevels. And this is the P block because the last electron fills the P sublevel. And this is the D, we have mentioned it, and this is F. So elements that are characterized by filling of P orbitals classified as group 3A through group A. Let's one example. Group 3A, one example is aluminum 13. If you configure it, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s3, 3s2, 3p1. Does it fulfill the statement that are characterized by filling of p orbitals? The last electron fills what? The p orbital. Are classified as they are p block. So what are the p block groups? All the elements from this range up to this are called p block. Let's take one in the middle, like from 6a. 6a, oxygen. Oxygen is 8. It has got 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So it's characterized again by filling the p orbital. So the last electron goes to the p orbital. So if you take elements from group 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 7a, 8a, especially 8a completely fill the p orbitals. But some from elements group 3, in group 3, group 4, group 5, 6, and 7, they partially fill the p orbital. So group 3a through 8a is correct. Transition metals, no, they are not transition. Transition metals has a pattern. Last time we mentioned n d dn minus 1, sorry. This pattern, it has to follow this pattern. The pattern which says d, the power d, n minus 1, and s from 1 to 2. And the s electron can be 1, 2, but it is ns2, dn minus 1. So it has to obey. Inner transition metals also obey fn minus 2, ns 2, 1 to 2, from 0 to 2, sorry. Group 1A and Group 2A, why this is not the answer? Because Group 1A and Group 2A, they did not fill p orbitals. So only they fill the s orbital. So the last electron to be filled to fill the s orbital, not the p orbital. So that's why question number A is the correct answer.